Good day, Kadena Hashers, and welcome to the weekly update number 3. Some exciting news today, so bear with me while I go through it all. And first off, though, I'd like to surprise you with a video from the website there. So this is inside the temporary facility. And as you'll see as well, I just did a video on Hive that I thought was quite good timing with their investment and help with the Kadena hashing project. So you'll see their miners in here as well if you're coming over from the Hive Protocol. Weekly NFT sales of $29,360. So it's a slow but steady burn. And some protocol stats, 228,000 has been paid for the 30 IB Link K1 maxes, 176,900 in USDC in the miner fund, and 2,430 KDA in treasury. All miners have been delivered now, and the 8 of them are running, and some other ones are going to be added later this week. As it appears, as you can see by the video, there's a lot of space there, but it's the lack of power that's inhibiting them from putting all the machines up, all the miners up and running. As you'll see in the video, there's a bunch of L3 miners not running. The power rate in the facility makes those unprofitable. So lucky for us, we're able to use this space while we patiently wait the completion of the permanent facility. Unfortunately, with the permanent facility, the slab has not been poured yet. As you're probably aware, in construction, sometimes jobs or people that you hire for the job find bigger jobs that pay better for them, so they end up canceling on the little job, which has caused, unfortunately, a delay on this side. So they've gotten rid of the contractor, and a new one is set up to come in on the 6th of September. While this is frustrating, all we can do is keep plugging away. The invoice is posted on the announcement on Discord. And going on to marketing, Kadena Hashing, Ross, and Hive have been meeting last week, I believe, and some good things came out of it. They have the intentions of putting some efforts outside of crypto and the Twitter space to bring in fresh participants, as well as doubling down on the efforts inside the space. They also noted a surprise up their sleeves before launching our marketing efforts, though, so stay tuned for that. I guess it's quite exciting. Crossmint is also something that's been talked about quite a bit. And although it's easy to implement, they have to create a contract in Solidity that will run on ETH in parallel with the Kadena contract. This is because in order to use Crossmint, the NFTs have to be minted on ETH network, and it'll be done as a placeholder. He'll have an update later this week on that and to go through more explanation as well. Overall, we're still early, and this amazing community is growing every day. Kadena Hashing also mentioned in the announcement that they have a lot of things in the pipeline that are going to increase the utility of our NFTs and strengthen the reason why any of us would want to have one. So I can't complain with that bullish statement. Lastly, a couple of quick things on the docket is we do have another event coming up called Kadena's Latest News and Updates on September 1st at 6 p.m. and Kadena Hashing will be there for that. I've also, and we'll have some more dates on that, spoken to Cardinal House, and we are setting up, and I think have completed the setup process of a AMA with them early September. So stay tuned for some more details on that. Other than that, thank you so much for hanging out again, and as usual, please like and subscribe, and have yourselves a fantastic evening.